Hey, so we're just making a quick pit stop. We're heading towards Jasper, Arkansas. We're on a scenic Route 7, and we just stopped alongside the road. And man, there's this just beautiful overlook behind us. So I'm going to show that to you right now. We're making just another quick pit stop here on Route 7 on our way to Jasper, Arkansas. This one here is another overlook that was created by the in dedication to the Workers Farmers Union of Arkansas, Green Thumb. Let's take a look at it real quick. So we were driving along. We're about 5 miles from Jasper, Arkansas, and we just stopped here at the Scenic Point gift shop. Pretty cool place. Inside they have a lot of Native American like doodads, a lot of things made out of gems, cool vases, plates, and they got a really cool tower over here I'm about to check out that has a beautiful scenic overlook of the area. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Video probably can't do this justice. So we just got into Jasper. That's gonna end our scenic Byway trip. We're gonna pretty much wrap up things here. So we'll probably stop, look around, see if there's anything cool. If it is, we will bring it to you on video. All right, so we've made it to Jasper. We're standing right here over at what looks like their municipal building. Looks like they've had a little Civil War history here. Some battles and skirmishes fought in the area. So we're just gonna kind of walk around the town, check out some places. Down the road here, we saw the Ozark Cafe, which a ton of people that we've ran into said that this place is awesome. So we see that. We're going to go over here, check out some bakeries, a couple gift shops, and just see what it has to offer. Looks like it's going to be fun.
Wild in the world, yeah.
Well, it would appear that we're having a little bit of a snafu. Two of the places we just walked to were actually closed. So the bakery that I was really hoping to get a delightful treat in, when we got there, they said they had just closed. The other place wasn't even close to being open. So we're heading over to the Gypsy gift shop and seeing how that is. we actually found a delightful little shop. We're over here at the Jasper Gypsy, and we've walked around it. So the place has been around for 4 years. It's been at this location for 2, and they have all kinds of really cool stuff in here. They have Christmas decorations, and it looks like they have a ton of different custom wreaths that you can get. You can just bring in a picture or an idea, they can make that for you. They also do funeral arrangements and stuff like that, so it's been really cool. I was talking to the owner, and she said that if you screw up with your wife, they can also do things to get you back out of the doghouse. So this has been a cool little place, a nice little find here on our trip through Jasper, and we'll show you around the shop a little bit. Oh my goodness! Wow, these are just really cool. And I guess they also said that they also do weddings too. People call from Chicago and everywhere to come and get wedding arrangements. So that's a really neat place, and everybody's been really friendly here. All right, so we've walked around a little bit. I think we're gonna head over to the Ozark Cafe. We hear that they got some ice cream and shakes over there that are supposed to be awesome. So off we go. All right, so we just got our malted shake. I got the chocolate banana.
Strawberry banana.
Fantastic. So I think this is going to conclude our trip to Jasper. We're going to head on out. Thanks for following along with us on our adventure down Scenic Route 7. Remember to follow us on pioneersurvivalcompany.com. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram at Pioneer Survival Company. Look forward to seeing you guys soon.
Yeah. Delicious.
Oh man,
Delicious.
that is a good shake.